What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are doing a long form educational session on pocket option. I'll show you how my AI system correctly observes the market and responds step by step. This is not financial advice, not recommendation, and not a promise of any results. Everything you see is here for educational purposes only, to help you understand how structure systems and analyze momentum without emotion. I will let the system do the observing, I'll react calmly, and we'll talk through what's happening in real time. Before any action happens, the AI goes observation mode. It's not looking for speed, it's looking for clarity. It studies how fast candles form, how consistent the movement is, and whether the environment feels stable or unstable. Most people rush because they are afraid of missing out. The AI does the opposite. It waits until the behavior makes sense. This patient is foundation of intelligent analysis, and alright, the system has identified a clean behavioral pattern. Nothing aggressive, nothing chaotic, just controlled movement with clear structure. I'm responding to the AI signal now. While this plays out, notice how calm everything feels. That's not luck, that's structure, and there we go. The reaction followed the logic exactly as expected. Now let's pause for a moment and observe what's happening next. The environment is shifting, movement is getting faster, candles are forming unevenly, and pressure is increasing. This is where many people panic or force decisions. The AI doesn't do that. Instead, it slows down initially, recalculates, and waits for a new pattern to stable. Sometimes smarter decision is simply to wait. Alright, the system has adapted the new behavior even though the environment is different from the earlier, and the AI has adjusted its logic to match the new rhythm. I'm responding to the second signal now. Notice how this reaction is slightly slower and more controlled than initial. And yes, once again, the response aligns perfectly with the structure. This is where AI really stands out as a learning tool. Humans react emotionally, fear, excitement, hesitation. AI reacts logically, structure, time, and repetition, and it doesn't care about the outcomes. It only cares about whether condition match its rule. That mindset alone can change your approach decision making, not just here but in everyday life. Most mistakes happen because people act too quickly, ignore structure, chase movement, or let emotion control decision. The AI avoids all of this by staying rule based. If the pattern isn't clear, it does not think. If the environment changes, it adapts. If the condition breaks, it waits. The discipline is what most people struggle to maintain. I get a lot of questions about the AI system you see here, and if you want to explore it for educational purposes, you can access it through the link in the description for the pinned comment. And it means to help you understand market behavior, not to replace thinking and not to guarantee outcomes. If you enjoy this calm, real-time educational session, make sure to like, subscribe, and for more content like this. I will continue hosting longer videos where we focus on logic, patience, and structure without hype and pressure. Thanks for watching. Stay disciplined, stay calm, and I'll see you in the next video.